So good afternoon, you're welcome back to our Runyankole lessons, and it's me again, host Dennis Kafaras, with Learn Runyankole series. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let me take you to our YouTube channel, and you see the videos that we have. We have lots of interesting things on our YouTube channel that I don't want you to miss out on these things. Very interesting. Definitely we are Afritech Innovation Solutions. We have videos. Okay, let me take you through the playlists. Sorry. We have playlists. We have inspirational videos. Let me go to the home. I think that would help us to very well see. We have song lyrics. These are videos. And we have Runyankole lessons, very many of them, up to about 25 lessons so far covered. Then we have technology, we have aviation lessons, very many, very interesting aviation lessons that you can't afford to miss. And we have song lyrics. So there's one thing I would like to celebrate as a milestone, because we have our lesson. We inaugurated learning Runyankore on 1 month ago. We started with our learn to pronounce Runyankore, Enyuguta, and as I'm seeing, we so far have 80 views that have viewed our video, our first video, and we have 49 viewing our second video, 42 the third, 39, 30, 10, 31, 33, 26, 19, 13, 12, 14, 21. So this is all. I appreciate you for the journey that we have taken together so far. And I remember our first Runyankore video. We have other videos of Runyankore, like domestic animals in Runyankore. We have Gila Fez, wild animals in Runyankore. Then we have our first lesson of Runyankore being. We have the lesson I made about fruits, months of the year in Runyankore 2 months ago. We have a video talking about the names of fruits in Runyankore. That's 8 months ago. And then we have our very first video that we have how to count in Runyankore. This was a very interesting video. Then we have our mother lesson, how to greet in Runyankore. This was our first lesson. It is the mother of Runyankore lessons in my channel, and I've done pretty cool of interesting things, so I just wish you the best. Then I want to hint about our Google Play Store. I want to show you our apps so that you don't get lost. When I talk of type host Dennis, I mean it. When you go to Google Play Store, you see this thing, Mohos Dennis. Just type the word Mohos Dennis and they'll bring you, you'll see a number of apps that we have created that will fit your taste, from literature books. This is one of the apps that I recommend, Ishekatabaz. It's a very, very new app. We have an answer in the land of idiots. Then now I want to take you to our blog, which is afritekinov.blogspot.com. Our blog is doing fairly well, and whatever we make as video is posted on our blog, and you can visit it and actually get the information, because when you got at home you get to know what we are. We are the leading IT company in Uganda dealing in mobile app development, web design development, and ICT consultancy. And you can see the people. This is the what? The developer. This is Mohos Dennis. He has the Bachelor of Degree in Computer Engineering and is actually going for Masters of Science in Computer Science Engineering. So I will give you more lessons when I come back from Hungary. So I think that's what I can take you through, what we are doing. And now I want to take you to Google Meet for our online lesson, because there is somebody waiting. So I am Google Meet. So I want to take you through our lesson, and I want to invite somebody to be part of us on the lesson. So we have a new meeting. I make a new meeting, start an instant meeting, and then still trying to get in. Yeah, so I add others.
When you start something, you feel like you are lagging behind. That's why your best to
Okay. So I want to add people. So I've sent messages, and now what I'm going to do is one. I want to share this lesson with this madam, and I got to Dennis Mohozi, inviting for the video, share the link. Zainab. So wasibotanyabo. So what I'm going to do is one, let me share the lesson window. we're going to study share, and then I hide. So when you go to our, I'm presenting. Run Runyankore. So we start our lesson. This is Mohos Dennis, and subscribe. So today we are looking at the near future tense. The near future tense. This near future tense is something that is going to happen, ekintu ekirabeho omu bwire bwa hihi. So let me say, ebirabeho omu bwire bwa hihi. That is something that will happen in the near. So this tense is a compound one, composed of the present imperfect of the verb kuija, that is to come, followed by the infinitive of the verb concerned, used without its initial vowel. This tense is used for all action to take place within the next day, and also for any future action for which no defined time is specified. We have the verb kuija. This is from present imperfect. So we have sentences like ninyija kukutayira nyenchakare. Ninyija kutayira nyenchakare. I shall pay you a visit tomorrow. This ninyija ninyija, that means I will or I shall. Then kukutayira, that is to pay a visit. So ninyija kutayira is pay you a visit, because ku is you. Nyenchakare is tomorrow. Nivija kunywa chai. Nivija is they. They will. Kunywa is drink. Nivija kunywa chai. They will drink tea. Naija kuhata muhogo. She will peel cassava. Nitwija kubaga ente. We shall slaughter a cow. You can either say we shall or we will. Okay, whatever. Provided you have shall, you are something you're going to do tomorrow. So you use netwija. Then we have nimwija, kuhiga engwe. Nimwija, you will. Ni, mwi, this mwi. This mwi means you in plural. This twi is we. Then na Na is he or she. Then ba is they. So you begin with the ni, then you put your word, then ja. It is nothing like going, but it is the plural. Nimwija kwiga engwe. You will hunt leopards, or you will hunt a leopard. You will hunt a leopard, of course. Nimwija kwiga engwe. Ente neija kurya obunyansi. Obunyansi. The cow will eat grass. So this language, I want you to learn how to pronounce these words. You want to learn how to pronounce these words, and you get. Now you will meet some Runyankore, some people who have fallen away from the main language. So you will find these people are using that nakuhata muhogo. Nakuhata muhogo. And they want to mean that she will peel cassava. You get? But I don't want you to learn that stuff of being lazy and you avoid Niger. Then now we got another one. So we have omwana naija kurya yasimuka. 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 What does this mean? The baby will eat after waking up. We have nitwija kushoma nyencha kare. We shall study tomorrow. Nitwija is we shall because of twi. Yes, ni is we shall. Nitwija. Omwana naija. The baby will eat after waking up. So let's look at another part. The near future tense in the negative. The negative in this tense is regular. It is formed by prefixing the negative particle ta or t before a vowel. That means if the letter that is coming is a vowel, it will become just a T. You get it? It will become a T. If they are not vowels, then you have ta, followed by ri, followed by ri. Now this ri, when you have the one, you see here, we have tvarikwiza, we have torikwiza. Tivarikwiza, torikwiza, tindikwiza. But it is ri. So most words will take the form ri, apart from the one of I changes to D. Now followed by the infinitive verb kwija plus the infinitive of the verb concerned. For example, we have T plus the subject prefix, Then we have ri. Ri. That is the subject prefix. So here the subject prefix is na. Okay. Stay in the core. I think I leave the core. Yeah, let me leave the core. This really is not going. So we have ri. Then quija. Then plus the verb infinitive. Now here we have ti ndi quija. Let me break it down so that you see how it is like. Ndi ti ba li. So you see that is ti. The subject prefix is ba. Then we have ri. Then we have quija. Then you add your verb. Your verb you have like kunywa, kutayaira, kureva, kugenda. So I can have a word like tindi kwija kukutayaira nyenja kare. Tindi kwija kutayaira. Tindi kwija kutayaira. I think we can leave like that. Tindi kwija kutayaira nyenja kare. I shall not. I shall not. Tindi kwija. Tindi kwija. I shall not. You know what brings the I? Is the na. This ba means they. So this one becomes they won't. Or you can actually say they shall not. But this one is like they will not, because this is the short form of they will not. So you can actually say they will not, they may not. They will not see a lion. So tori tibari kwija kunywa chai. Remember we had the word that nvija kunywa chai. So this ni, now in the negative we put t instead of ni. You get it? Now here in the positive, this ni is the first one. In the negative, remove ni and replace it with t. And then after this ba, we put ri. Then we remain with the word kwija. You get that? So tibari kwija kunywa chai. They will not drink some tea. Tori kwija kureba ekichunchu. You will not see a lion. Tari kwija kuhata muhogo. And the positive one is naija kuhata muhogo. Naija. But in the negative is she won't peel cassava. Tituri kwija kubaga ente. We shall not slaughter a cow. Tituri kwija. Actually, this word would have been, in the positive would be nitwija. Twi. Nitwija. Kubaga. turi kwija kubaga ente. We shall not slaughter a cow. Timuri kwija kuhiga engwe. And in the plural was nimwija. Mu. So it becomes mu instead of mwe. Timuri kwija kuhiga engwe. You won't hunt leopards. This is in the plural, of course. You won't hunt leopards. Now we go to, I think we have finished that step. You can keep revisiting that and you learn how to construct sentences in the what will happen tomorrow, and you find out how to make them negative. Now I'm taking you through other vocabularies. We have a chweka, that is part, half, or a section. And these there are many, they are called a chweka. It belongs to the Chibi class. I think in the meantime, since I'm not, let me see, because I had made some video and it had partially uploaded. Let me upload it so that people who are umubiri, that is the body. If it is in pro, it is emiviri. We have a song in Runyankore saying omubiro gunjwire tigondijwaro mwiguru, meaning the body I'm putting on. Omubiri ogunjwire. Omubiri ogunjwire. That is the body I'm putting on. Then we have endwara, illness or disease. Speed. Omubazi, drug, medicine, ointment. If it is in plural, it is called emibazi. That is muba. Emibazi. Actually, this is not muba. It is mumi. Omubazi, emibazi. Irwariro. Amarwariro. You get it where I get the rima. We have a irwa. This rwa. Then, if they mean they are called amarwariro. Amate, milk. They are amate. Umshaho, that's a doctor. The many they are called abashaho. Nishani, nishani. Omurwire, that's a patient. Omurwaire, but we tend to call it omurwire. Omurwire, patient. Then we have many abarwire. We have omuka, that is a home, and is still omuka. Then we have omhanda, path, way, or road, and in plural they are called emihanda. Mukuruke omuhanda. Mukuruke omuhanda. That means welcome back from the journey. Mukuruke. Then we have embabazi, grace, kindness, mercy. Onjirire embabazi, onjirire embabazi. Have mercy on me. Then we have enkaito. In the right pronunciation is enkaito, but we call it enkaito because this I is called E. Enkaito. Shu or enkaito. Enkaito. Embeho. That is called air or wind. Zona zeta embiho. Diona nituvieta embiho. This chord is called obufchi. Obufchi. But you can say nyenembeho, meaning you are feeling cold. If the air, you say embeho. Embeho erukufuka. Embeho erukuosya. Embeho erukufuka, that is cold air. Embeho erukuosya, that is hot air. Then we have wind, but this wind is not embeho. This wind is omuyaga. It's omuyaga. But they are all called in the category of embeho. We have enjara. Enjara. This is famine or hunger. Twin enjara, meaning we are hungry. Nyine enjara. That means I'm hungry. Akatunda. That's a passion fruit of tunda. Iriho. You can say iriho. Help you to write it. But you can say iriho. Iriho in the pronunciation. But if you want to write it well, you say iriho, which is thirst. Amasko. Hope. Echoya. Nine echoya. I am hot. Obrofa. Feel that or that. You see, this one when you have overo. Overo is merit. When you had fa, dead merit, that is obrofa. So obrofa means that. No wonder merit has dust, so it has a lot of chaff. So we have otoro, that is sleepiness or sleep. If you say notoro, that means you have sleep. Then you have doctor, dokita, dokita, doctor, by doctor. If there are many, it is in the Muba class. Then we have nurse. That's a nurse, and that is vanasi, many. Avanas. We have a shagama, blood. Blood is a shagama. A shagama. A shagama. A chikatu, injection. If they are many, they are called a katu, a v katu, a bomba, that is a syringe. You know when they are going to inject you, that whole thing where the medicine is put, that's called the syringe. But the real thing is called injection. The injection is made up of the syringe, a bomba. A bomba is where there is the medicine. Then you have a pitrozo, that is the needle that is going to pierce into your body. And this pitrozo can be the sewing needle. Here, sewing needle, the one for sewing clothes. Still it is the same thing for injecting you. Then we have omulingo, that is a type, kind, or sort. Omulingo gumwe, that is one kind, or we, one way. Omulingo gumwe, one way. Omurundi, that is a time. Omurundi gumwe, omurundi gumwe, that is one occasion or one time or one round. Omurundi gumwe. Emirundi, emirundena, 4 times, 4 rounds. We have a glass, that is a glass. We have a mizi, that is water, and they are called, it is still a mizi. We have a mani, that is power, force, or strength. Amani, amani gawe garahi, where is your power? Amani ganje garum, that means my energy is not, is wanting. Tinyine mani, if you say tinyine mani, that means you're weak. Not in a man, you are weak. You are weak and you are possibly not strong. Then we have omugasho, that is use or purpose. Omugasho, omugasho gwokushoma, omugasho gwokushoma, that is the purpose of studying. Omuyaga, wind or air. Now, like if you're on a border, or you are in a car that is moving, what you feel, we call it omuyaga. I think you're getting, we call it omuyaga. Then if there are many, emiyaga, or maybe it is going to rain and you see wind blowing, we call that omuyaga. We have oruzengerera, dizziness, oruzengerera. Nyine oruzengerera, oruzengerera. I have dizziness, nyine oruzengerera. We have omuheru, that is the end, enheru. Omuheru gwekibi n'okufa. The end of sin is death. Omuheru gwekibi n'okufa. Omuheru gwekibi n'okufa. The end of sin is death. Omuheru gwekibi n'okufa. Omuheru is end. Gwekibi of sin n'okufa is death. So we have obusinge, that is peace or freedom, and it's called obusinge. That's why in my lessons I always end like obusinge bube nimwe, peace be with you. That is where the Muslims say peace be with you. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum, peace be with you. Salam, that is peace. Alaikum, with you. Actually, that's what I mean. but for us in the Christian faith we say peace be with you, obusinge bube niwe, bube niwe. That is when you're talking about just one person. If there are many, you say bube niwe. I think you get me. Kale. Now what bozo we on obusinge mujiro obusinge oburengero kumanywa bugumenimwe. Peace be with you. We have obuyonjo, that is cleanliness or sanitation. That is obuyonjo, cleanliness. The personal cleanliness, the cleanliness of the environment of the house, we call that obuyonjo. Obuyonjo, because this J is njo. Obuyonjo. So we have parts of the body. These parts of the body, they are very, we have ishoche, but for if you want to write it is eishoche, but me I would say ishoche, because this ei, the e is prominent and it becomes ishoche. That's hair. In plural they are called amashoche. It is in the rima class. Oruju, that is gray hair. If there are many, we call them enju. Oine enju omumutwe. Oine enju omumutwe. That means you have gray hair in your head. Oinenju omumutwe. Now, notice the difference. We have enju and enju. It is same spelling but different pronunciation. Oinenju omumutwe. Don't say oine enju omumutwe. No, that's not right. You say oine enju omumutwe. You have gray hair in your head. Then we have omutwe. Head. Emitwe. That's a head. We have ahamisho. That is a face. And there are many. Still it is ahamisho. Nasiskara hamisho. You can say nasisikara. Nasiskara ahamisho. That means my face is spoiled. Nasiskara hamisho. Or you can say nienda kwesiga hamisho. Nienda kwesiga nienda kwesiga hamisho. That means I want to smear myself on the face. That is what this thing means. Nienda kwesiga hamisho. So you have that, and you definitely know. We have obuso, that is the forehead. Now, forehead, we hear mostly buso bwa ntama. Buso bwa ntama means collision, that is head on. So when you hear Runyankole saying uzatomera na buso bwa ntama, buso bwa ntama, that means head on collision, especially for cars, head on collision, because sheep are fond of hitting themselves with their hornless heads. So that's when we call it buso bwa ntama, head on collision. Then we have erisho, eye, anisho, those are eyes. Then we have a nyindo, that's a nose. We have a nyindo, okutu. In plural they are called amatu, ku, then ma. Then we have bahungu. Bahungu is an eyebrow. And then we have obwonko, brain. We have omunwa, that's a mouth. No, emunwa. We have omunwa, which is a lip. This outer lip of the mouth, we call it omunwa. Eminwa. We have akanwa, omukanwa, that is in the mouth, akanwa. We have erino, that's a tooth. If they are male, they are called anino, amaino. So we say anino. Orulimi, tongue. Endimi, itama, itama, that's a cheek. If there are many, amatama. Echireju, chin. Mene, evereju. Enkomo, this is enkomo, back of head, or and in throat is still enkomo. Nkurebe enkomo, meaning let me see the back of your head. If you want to tell a person that you go away, you say nkurebe enkomo, meaning move away from me, and you move away. We have ebisya. Ebisya is neck. Amaraka, that is the outer throat. Amaraka. Then we have omumiro, that is the inner throat. Ahamumiro. Ekifuba, that's the chest, and many they are called ebifuba. Eivega, that's the shoulder, and in plural they are called amavega, ahamavega, on the shoulders. We have omutuma. Omutuma, that is a heart. Many they are called emituma. We have amara. Don't say amara. This is amara. And they are called intestines. We have echne. Liver. If they are men, they are called evne. Ensigo. Ensigo, kidney. Hha, that's a lung. If they are men, they are called evihaha. Oruvaju, that's a rib. Many they are called embaju. Embaju nizinshasa, nizinsasa. That means my ribs are paining. Embaju nizinsasa. Then you have ibere, that is breast, amadere. Then we have omwisho, that is breath. If there are many, emisho. Omukundi, that is the navel. There are many, they are called emukundi. Okwahwa, that is the armpit. And in plural they are called amahwa. Armpit hair, ebyakwahwa, or ebyakwahwa. That is in plural. Still the same, ebyakwahwa. We have evereju, that is beard or mustache. We have igufa, that is a bone, or amagufa in plural. This is rima, a, this is e, then ma, amagufa. Then we have enkokora, that's an elbow. Yantere enkokora, he has hit me with an elbow. Yantera enkokora. You get it? Yantere enkokora. Yantera enkokora. Then now we go to omushaya, that is a jaw. Emishaya. Yantera oruhi rwomushaya. Oruhi rwo mushaya. Actually oruhi means a slap. A slap. So oruhi rwomushaya, that is a slap on the cheek. You get it? Yeah. Then we have orushaya, jaw. Engino, that's a gum. Orujingo, that's a joint. Enyama, that's a muscle. Enda, that's a stomach or a belly. Omukono, that is an arm. Engaro, that's a hand. You get it? Omukono, emikono. Enyama, enyama yomukono, that is a muscle of the arm. Then we have, I want us to finish this stuff and we'll go to other things. A tutu and Peter, you know. So I think we are going to stop from there. We stopped on engaro. Thank you for tuning on to my channel.